Today we're going to look at the Himalayan Salt Lamp by Himalayan Glow. This salt lamp from Himalayan Glow features a dimmable switch featured on the extension cord. But first, here's the box that it comes in. The box shows many different places you can put the nice lamp and how you can take it off and change the light bulb inside. Other than that, it's very simple and it includes a user manual. Includes a nice user manual. So, now what's really cool about these salt lamps is that each one of them are a different shape. Not one is the same, and this is pretty cool. And this one is a nice little tall ovalish shape, and it shows many different colors throughout just from the rock itself. It is a little bit heavy, so you do want to make sure you put this in a spot where it would not be easily knocked over. Now this lamp, it does sit on a nice wooden base, and inside there is a nice 15-watt light bulb. And it also has a nice 6.6-foot extension cord, which has the dimmable feature on it as well. If you see, I turned it all the way down to off. You heard the click, and back up. I'll show you this in a darker light setting to show you the true beauty of this lamp. This lamp would be great as an accent lamp. It's not going to provide much light for reading, but it will add to your decor and make a great featured piece in your room. These salt crystals are hand mined in the Himalayan Mountains, and these are handcrafted for uniqueness. The rough design in the pink surface combined together to make this beautiful lamp, and what I love about it is the color, because you don't really see a nice bright pinkish orange color like this in a lot of things. So a little bit more about the base. The base is screwed on, so if you do need to change the light bulb within, all you have to do is unscrew the one screw right there and pop the bottom off and change your light bulb. Very, very simple and not a hard task. Now I'm going to dim the lights to show you what this looks like in a darker setting. As you can see, I have dimmed the lights, and I just want to point out that in the darker light setting, this is very, very nice and bright and colorful. I like this a lot. And this is at its highest setting right now. I'm going to go down and show you the range it has. As you can see, that is all the way off. And now I'm going to go back up. And that is all the way up. This just looks spectacular. Every angle you look at it, it'll look a little bit different, which is really cool. And then the colors within are different as well, so you get a different view each time you look at it, and I like that a lot. I also think the brightest setting does show a lot more of the different color variations you see within the lamp. I'd also like to point out that this would make a wonderful gift for anyone, any time of the season, Mother's Day, Christmas, a birthday gift, any type of holiday. This would be great to add, and it provides many different benefits as well. Some say that Himalayan salt lamps do provide a little bit of an air purification or just a natural calmness in the room, sort of like a zen feeling. So need to give someone a gift, this would be a great one to have. Alright, so that is all I have today on the Himalayan Salt Lamp by Himalayan Glow. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.